Hopping up the show on a Sunday with a fun day. Dips get tripping and whipping down the runway. Diggy dads, a bus I ain't had enough. It gets rough and tough, but it's never too much. That's corrupt. Go up and down, don't
Whoa. Hey everybody, heard it. You guys like to dance? If you guys like to dance, come to our tryouts on Thursday, January 10th. For a tryout when everybody's gonna dance. It don't matter if you're a guy or girl, you're good or not, come and try it on Thursday. Thanks.